Cells about to separate, and I find it hard to concentrate. And temporary, this cash and carry, I'm stepping up to indicate the time has come to deviate. And all I want is
I have asked God to bless you, happiness, lots of love for you and Jeffrey, to have a beautiful long marriage for the rest of your lives, and just be happy. I love you. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Yeah.
death-defying this mess I'm buying. It's raining down with love and hate, and I find it hard to motivate. And estuary is blessed but scary. Your heart's about to palpitate, and I'm not about to hesitate. And want to treasure the rest of your days here and give you pleasure in so many ways, dear. And finally you have found something perfect, and finally
On behalf of Jeffrey and Nevia, I would like to thank you all for being here this afternoon, for taking the time and making the journey, not only to be a part of this day, but to be a part of their lives.
It's no secret we're starting this new chapter of marriage with our own history. With that, I promise to hold fond memories close to my heart, but look forward and be thankful that times past led to tremendous growth and the man you are today. I could not be more proud to be your wife.
Collectively, you and I are more powerful and courageous than we could ever fathom being alone, and this bedrock we've laid together is absolutely unshakable. In ancient Irish mythology, there is the story of Quina. She was the queen of the banshees and the goddess of love and beauty. They say she was a woman of staggering beauty, and she was a member of an ancient family of supernatural, godlike beings with great powers. Right? You are my Quina, my queen.
Jeffrey and Nevia, it is now my honor and absolute delight to declare you husband and wife. So celebrate your vows with a kiss.